In the fast-paced world of today, achieving financial freedom can seem impossible. But what if I told you that using a few quick cash tactics may be all it takes to achieve financial stability? Come learn 5 practical techniques that, in only 4 minutes, can help you achieve financial freedom. Number 1. Automated savings. Setting up an automated savings account is the first step toward financial freedom. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account will take 5 minutes. Regular savings of even a little sum might add up over time to give you a safety net in terms of money. Number 2. Trim your expenses. Determine which expenses are superfluous and reduce them. Take 5 minutes to go over your monthly subscriptions and expenses. When possible, negotiate a lesser price and cancel any unused services. Your financial objectives are closer with every dollar you save. Number 3. Sell unused items. Sell any unwanted stuff you have lying around your house to generate some cash. Spend 5 minutes taking pictures and posting them to websites such as Facebook Marketplace or eBay. In addition to clearing out your area, you'll get paid extra money for the job. Number 4. Explore cashback opportunities. Examine your options for cashback to make your regular purchases work for you. Take 5 minutes to register for credit cards that pay rewards on your purchases or cashback apps. You can use the cashback you receive with each swipe to help you reach your financial objectives. Number 5. Invest in yourself. Give yourself a 5-minute boost by making time for personal growth. Achieving financial freedom requires constant learning, which can be done through online courses, podcasts, or reading books on finance. Invest in your education and experience to increase your earning potential. These easy cash hacks will help you get started on the path to financial freedom in just 4 minutes. You may lay a strong basis for a better financial future by automating your savings, cutting costs, selling unwanted stuff, looking into cashback options, and investing in yourself.